Hey guys, my name is Michaela. This is my first ever video. So, the thing we're going to do today is we're going to go outside. Okay. So, you want to go outside? Yeah. Okay. We're going outside. Yes. We're going outside. Ooh, it's windy out here.
Oh, windy.
It's windy. Okay, let's go. So here's our yard. There's Travis. Come on, Travis. I think we're gonna go jump. We're gonna go jump. There's Roscoe, Blondie.
I'll take it for like
okay.
take like a week or so.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Well, I just was in the area, so I was taking it.
Okay.
Here's my card.
All right. Thank you.
Yep. So let us know if there's anything else we can do for you.
Okay. I will.
Thanks.
Thanks.
What they did to Luke Stover. Now you're talking, Ben. Engine medicine for an engine. Oh, you like that pretty little pink ribbon in his hair. Kiss him on the cheek and say, go, little man, and send no more. Is that what you want? No, listen. I wouldn't want to send this boy back to his people so they can tell him we don't mean any harm. For years, the white man...
So this is where the end of the video stops. I'm going to show you my face, and then I'll stop the video. Boom! Hi guys! Okay, boom!